Okay, hello. Here is a cool place to download some sound effects for free. Um, you have some bullets to fly by, metal crash, metal bang, metal plate, and whatnot. This actually, I use this metal bang and metal crash, and I think what is it? It's like glass breaking or whatever. Um, yeah, to make a like a cool car crash sound effect. Um, you have a school bell. I mean, yeah, I love this one because I have it on my phone and you just click it. Right, so and like it really sounds like a school bell. So I'm just gonna click it so you can hear the preview of it, and it brings up this QuickTime page for the preview. And here you can just listen, and if you like it, like I said, that sounds like a school bell. That's a pretty good one. Another one I like is the Jet 5. Pretty good. It's good for like if there's like a text that you want to fly by, and you're gonna make it go really fast, and just fly by the screen or something for a video you're making, or an intro or something. That'd be a good effect, sound effect. But so you just right click here and download link file. Just click save. I already have it on my computer, so I'm not gonna click it. Just click save, and you can download it. Actually, I'm gonna download the school bell one. Um, so download link file, save, and you can save it to your downloads or whatever. You can save it to your desktop or wherever. And just click save and just download it. It'll show up here and start downloading, and you can just click it and listen to it on your iTunes or your whatever. So yeah, that's it. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you find the type of sound effect you need, and have a nice day. Subscribe.